Hey there, welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing. In this video, we're talking about content marketing, what it is, how it works, and how it can help your business grow through connection, value, and trust. Let's get into it. What is content marketing, and what is its main goal? Content marketing is all about creating and sharing valuable content to attract and engage your ideal audience. The goal is to educate, inform, or entertain, building a strong relationship that leads to trust, loyalty, and conversions. What are the most common types of content used in content marketing? Some of the most popular content formats include blog posts, videos, infographics, ebooks, podcasts, and social media posts. Each one serves a different purpose, depending on your audience and campaign goals. How is the success of content marketing measured? We track key metrics like page views, time on page, shares, conversion rates, and engagement on social media. These KPIs show what content is working and help us refine your strategy for even better results. How can a content marketing strategy benefit my business? It builds your authority, increases your visibility, and connects you with the right audience. You attract more qualified leads, create stronger customer relationships, and drive real, long-term growth for your business. Ready to grow your brand through smart, engaging content? Let's build a content strategy that works. Reach out to Ferrer Digital Marketing or explore the next video in this playlist to learn more about what we do. Thanks for watching and welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing.